Hello, amazing second grade writers. Welcome to day 3 of opinion writing with the prompt, would you like to be a dolphin? Today we're going to focus on our opinion writing checklist, and we are specifically looking at supplies 3 reasons from the text to support your opinion. We will also be using linking words. So in our example from second grade, our transition words were first, next, and last, and those are repeated in our more advanced one. We also have the transition word as you can see, but we added that yesterday, so we're not really focused on that. We're also looking at our reason sentences, our detail sentences. For this example, it was the years are longer there, there is almost no oxygen there, and it is often below freezing. Now those are pretty basic, and like we said on day 1, they don't really explain why your opinion is that you wouldn't want to live on Mars. Some people might think longer years are a good thing, and maybe someone really likes to bundle up, so saying that it's often below freezing, they'd love to be bundled up all the time. So that's where our more advanced paragraph comes in, where it talks about how long that year is and why having a longer year is a negative thing for this person. The next one, I feel like having no oxygen is pretty standard to understand why that would be a negative thing, but they go into some more detail about why that's bad. And specifically, like, hey, I'd never actually be able to go outside and feel the sun and the breeze. Okay, and last, they're talking about how cold it is and hate being cold. So they're kind of explaining more of their opinion. And like I said, some people might not understand why your reason supports your opinion unless you give them an elaboration sentence or two to kind of explain why that is the way you feel. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Remember, your prompt this week is read, would you like to be a dolphin, to write an opinion paragraph. After learning more about dolphin life, do you think you'd like to live as a dolphin? Why or why not? Use the text to support your opinion. Okay, you should still have your T-chart that you made on day 1, where you listed pros, or things that are good about being a dolphin, and cons, or things that are bad about being a dolphin. You're going to be using these reasons to write your detailed sentences. Now, you were supposed to choose whichever one had the most, or if they both had more than 3, then the best reasons. And you're literally going to take that reason and convert it into a complete sentence, making sure that you are not copying exactly what they said in the article. You need to take the article and put it into your own words for your reason. And especially if you think that maybe your reason could go both ways, then make sure you add an elaboration sentence to explain why that is a good or bad thing. Maybe you put on either side of the chart that you'd be in water all the time. That could be a positive for someone and a negative for somebody else. So make sure you're thinking about why exactly it is a good thing or a bad thing. If you're having trouble with an elaboration sentence, ask yourself why. Why is this something that's important to me? So, on your Foursquare, you have already written your topic sentence and your conclusion sentence, and today you are writing your first detail sentence, your second detail sentence, and your third detail sentence, making sure to elaborate, especially if it is something that could go either way. And don't forget to start each box with a transition word. That lets them know that you're finished talking about and or elaborating that detail. And I think the best ones for this particular essay would be to show order or to add information. So my first reason, second, last, next, or for example, blah, blah, blah. Additionally, blah, blah, blah. Another reason, blah, blah, blah. So those are going to be some great ones for you. Reach out if you have any questions. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you guys have written.